So I'm Kev Armstrong. I'm the Director of Paramedic Sciences at Keele. I also work as a paramedic for West Midlands Ambulance Service part-time. It's not what people tend to think it is. It's not always like it is on television programmes. The role is unpredictable, so you don't quite know what you're going to get, but there is an element of predictability that comes with the sheer number of patients that you see on a day-to-day basis. From my role at Keele as Director, I largely oversight all the educational aspects of the programme. When I'm not at Keele, I'll undertake a standard 12-hour ambulance service shift. Being able to do that in an educational setting within the university, but then also doing it in clinical practice for patients means I'm current and I like to stay up to date with what I need to do. I think the students like it because I'm more relatable to what they're experiencing. I'm aware of new developments, I can understand the demands that students might be facing when they're out of clinical practice, but also my colleagues as well, to make sure I'm aware of the demands that happens within the wider NHS. You do come home with a sense of achievement, which is nice as part of that role, I think.